in the Omaha area.
Another case of the measles, this one linked to a child at a daycare. Reporter Kelly Bartnick is live with this story. Kelly.
Craig, the child potentially exposed dozens of people at two separate Blair locations, one of them a hub for children. Staff at Little Blossom's Child Care today would not comment on their actions since the exposure January 20th through January 23rd. A spokesperson with Three Rivers Health said they started working with the Child Care Center on Wednesday and all families have been notified. They are working with susceptible child groups like those under a year old who cannot be vaccinated for the virus. Those exposed who are not vaccinated now face a 21-day quarantine. A parent we spoke with said he'd been notified by the center. Customers of Jake's Sports Bar and Grill were also exposed on January 22nd. The bar owner says he was only notified this afternoon.
They called us electronically on the phone and then they give us information when we came in.
Are you worried at all? Why?
Because I'm not. They're vaccinated, my kids are healthy.
You know, more than anything, I think that I was probably more concerned just for the well-being of the child, for one, and of course everybody else that may have possibly been there that night.
Measles virus lives for about 2 hours in the air or on surfaces after exposure. Symptoms usually appear 7 to 14 days after exposure. They begin like a cold or a cough. Three Rivers health officials say they are nearly impossible to catch if a person is immunized. That's the measles, of course. The child in the latest case had been vaccinated. There is also a risk with cold and flu season that early symptoms go unnoticed. We have more information, including signs and symptoms, on our website, KMTV.com. In the news center tonight, Kelly Bartnick, KMTV Action 3 News.